Looking good, guys. But this is even better. And much better. Swap these out. Nope. Keep going. Whoa! Ugh! What is this place?
And what's with all these clothes?
There we go.
Ladies first, of course.
Great. Is that a scorpion?
Yikes!
Aw, it's not like it's alive or anything. See? It's candy. Dare me to eat it? Mmm. Strawberry. What about yours?
Oh no! I got a scorpion too, see? Gross. But also kinda cool. I've got work to do. Anything about bugs in this pile?
Hey! Watch it!
And bingo! The biology of scorpions. Knowledge is power!
Uh-huh.
I'd better get to work here. What kind is it? Nah. Is it this one? That can't be right. But this one looks right. Now that I have a little background info, I can really dig into this thing.
Hey! I wanna see that too. Kinda freaky.
Right? Gimme that!
Whatever.
Okay, I've gotta make sure this lasts. It'll stay safe in this thing here. And now we can look at it. But I have to make sure it stays dry. There! I want to make sure it stays in place. Nobody touch this thing, you hear?
Is that really necessary?
Wow! Now it's perfect!
Mm-hmm.
What? Where'd yours go? Don't tell me! You actually ingested the scorpion?!
Is that bad?
Let's do it! Ooh!
Ah! Sour soda pop?
Don't mind if I do. I got the green kind.
Cheers!
This is gonna be… it won't open! Ugh, come on! I give up. I'm gonna figure this thing out. As I suspected.
Huh?
According to my calculations, I need to use a force compatible with this height, and a velocity of… Oh, interesting. Yep, these calculations look correct.
Miles, it's not that complex. Just turn the thing over, see? The cap twists off the bottom. You and that brain of yours.
Oh. So simple. Bottoms up. Sweet. Whoa! I feel that in my chest.
So dramatic. Watch a real pro chug this stuff.
Ugh.
Get ready, taste buds. Huh? Come out, silly candy! I don't understand what's happening.
Maybe you just need a stronger arm. Anything? Come on! It's gotta be coming out now.
I'm bored.
Maybe a little warmth will help.
Oh, man.
Phew. I think I've hit my limit.
Maybe one last try. Whoa!
Did you see that? Well, looks like we finally did it. We did it. I wouldn't mind a taste.
Why don't you go, Miles?
Cool! A green apple! It has some sort of juice in there. Looks pretty good, huh? Ugh! What's wrong with this thing? These choppers used to be sharp.
That's too bad.
Wait, of course!
What's with all that? Is this a dentist's office?
Toothpaste me! Time to polish these things. I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Okay. My teeth will never be sharp enough.
I don't have time for this. And speaking of teeth…
Wait, I know!
These look pretty yummy if you ask me. Cheers!
Olivia, no! I'll get it! I'll get it! Incoming! I really needed those. What's the matter with you? Oh yeah. Time to take these for a test drive. Ha!
Ugh! Miles, stop! I'm all sticky now!
And it's all because of those teeth. I guess that was my bad. Yeah. Yay!
No!
Why so aggressive?
'Cause ladies first, duh. And just look at this gorgeousness! And it's the perfect shade of pink. Now that's sweet. Oh! Is this mine?
Whoa.
I'm royalty now. Some hungry royalty at that. Ooh! Check out this ice!
Ooh, that's sparkly.
Maybe a little more? Oh! I could get used to this!
That's a lot.
Now if I just had one more thing. A handsome prince, perhaps?
No way. It's my turn now. Ooh. A green mustache? Now this is pretty stellar. Does it suit my face? Olivia? Hey! You're still daydreaming? Whatever. Huh? Why does my ear feel weird? And my brows are tingling. It must be the mustache. Do you smell that? My lips are all tingly too. Ugh, I'm imagining things. Oh, I definitely feel funny now. I'm a green monster! I want my old skin back!
Whoa! Is that Miles? Get out of here! I've got my Prince Charming right here.
Oh, me?
Give me some sugar. Wow! So soft.
You know how to make a guy feel special.
Something to remember you by.
So, should we play for it? Rock, paper, scissors. Score! Candy sludge? This stuff looks pretty intense. This'll let me get every last drop. Looks interesting. Open yours, Olivia.
What? Look at this gorgeous drink! Hello?
Yes. Oh, of course. These should be to your liking.
Yep.
I want fun sprinkles too.
Yes, sir. Where's the drink?
My mouth! Kinda chalky.
Anyway. Yoo-hoo! That's more like it. So refreshing.
No fair! I want help!
Here, sir.
Thanks. See that? Ugh! What's it doing?
Are you ready? And go! Time to eat!
This shouldn't take long. Oh, not bad. You're almost done! I'd better get to eating then. Fine by me. Oh, this thing isn't working now! Come on!
Looks tricky.
Huh? No! That's not even close to my mouth!
Gross. Look at all that slimy mess.
I guess you want that, Olivia.
Which would you rather choose? Pink lollipops or green sour apple candy? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more yummy challenges.